In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design and format messages in Slack. Whether you're communicating with a team, highlighting important information, or simply enhancing the readability of your messages, knowing how to format text effectively can make a significant difference. Slack offers a variety of formatting options to help you convey your message clearly and professionally. Let's dive in and start with the basics. To begin, you'll need to select the channel where you intend to change or send a message. This could be any workspace channel or a direct message conversation. Once you have opened the desired channel, you'll see the message input field at the bottom. Here, you can start typing your message as you normally would. Now comes the fun part, designing your message. If you want to emphasize certain words or phrases, you can make them bold by clicking on the bold icon, usually represented by a B. Simply highlight the text you wish to embolden, and then click the B icon and you'll see it transform. Next, for a softer emphasis, you might want to italicize some text. There's an italic icon marked as I. Again, highlight the part of your message that you want to be italicized, click the icon, and observe the smooth transformation. There might be occasions when you want to show that some content is no longer valid, or for humorous effect, use the strike through. For this, highlight the text and click the strike through icon. Immediately, you'll notice a line cutting through the selected text. Sometimes you'll need to provide additional resources or references in the form of links. For this, highlight the text that you want to turn into a hyperlink and click on the link icon. You'll then be prompted to enter the URL. Once added, whenever someone clicks on that text, they'll be directed to the link you provided. After designing your message, don't forget to save your work if you're editing an existing one. The save option is usually found at the top or bottom of your editing panel. For organizing information, you can use numbered or bulleted lists. Numbered lists are great for steps or priorities, while bulleted lists are perfect for unordered items. The icons for these functions are quite intuitive, so simply click on them to format your list as needed. To offer more structure to your text, consider using block quotes. They are particularly useful for quoting something from another source, or even for highlighting an essential part of your message. Again, just highlight the desired section and click on the block quote icon. Lastly, Slack allows you to share snippets of code with the code and code block options. These are particularly handy when sharing programming snippets or any pre-formatted texts. Highlight your code, click on the code icon or the code block button, and your text will be displayed in a format that's easy for others to understand. With these tricks up your sleeve, you're now equipped to make your Slack messages not only functional, but also visually appealing. Happy messaging, and remember to practice these tools to enhance your communication.